Eric Ring here, VP of Sales for Perfect Commercial, makers of top-grade professional cleaning equipment, vacuums, and accessories at unbeatable prices. Let's talk about our powerful and efficient DM101 vacuum. This powerhouse comes with a 2-motor system featuring a commercial heavy-duty super powerful suction motor providing an unbelievable 90-inch water lift at the end of the hose. Enjoy next-level dirt removal with our gear-driven powerful brush roll motor and say goodbye to clogs with our re-engineered larger debris opening. Switch seamlessly between cleaning modes with our 3-way switch and enjoy quiet, efficient cleaning with our high-tech, fire-retardant, sound-deadening gel. Our Perfect Lock stretchable attachment hose ensures a secure connection every time with the L-shaped base and self-adjusting head, providing superior cleaning in hard-to-reach places. With ergonomic handle grip and included attachments, the DM101 offers versatility and comfort for all your cleaning needs. Perfect Commercial, your partner for professional-grade cleaning solutions.
Maximize your sales potential with Legends.